I'm currently in my no bra era, and I'm so thankful that I found these Nippies skin, because honestly, I have lots of shirts that, the material's a little bit thin, it's kind of see-through, and I just don't feel comfortable. So having these is such a lifesaver, and I love that they are completely reusable. So the first time you get them, there is this little like thin film of plastic that you peel them off and you would throw that away. But these ones you would keep, because after you've used them, you've taken them off. You want to give these a little bit of a clean, and then you'll just go ahead and pop them back on there, and you can keep them right here in this box, which is fantastic. I love that they have all the different shades, so you can pick which one you want based on your skin tone, and there are different sizes as well for the A to C and then the D plus. Very comfortable, very light. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go put on a shirt that I normally wouldn't want to wear without one of these, just so that I can show you. I'll be right back. So if I did not have these covers on, I would not be able to wear a shirt like this without a bra. The material is very, very thin. It is see-through. I think it would be a little bit inappropriate and uncomfortable just to my liking. But as you can see, I have them on. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing them. They're so light. And yeah, I'm definitely a big fan.